Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So in today's video we'll be looking on how to memorize your bass fretboard very well using the Triads. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to learn how to memorize all the notes on the fretboard and also how to place your fingers on every note so that when playing any type of groove or any progression it will be easy for you, I'll recommend you watch the video to the end so that you will get the understanding of what I'm to share to you today. Okay, I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. You can also use this as an exercise, okay, and it's very easy. I'll just try and make sure you understand it very well so that when you get to a note you know the exact place you are and you will not be like I'm lost, or you understand. Okay, so we'll be using the Triad to do this. If you haven't learned what the Triads are, you can DM me on my private lesson. Okay, for those who already know, then let's move on. So we'll be using 3 progressions, you understand. So and we'll be starting from 6. So when I start from 6, it will be like 6 7 1. Okay, then when I start from 6 to 7, 7 1 2, you understand. That is la, ti, do, and ti, do, re. And when I start from 1 1 2 3, that is do, re, mi, you understand. Okay, so that are the progression. Okay, one thing you need to put in mind is the progression, and 2, the finger placement. So we'll be playing on key G. Okay, you have 6 6 on E string, you understand. That is your 4th string. There you won't be pressing on any note using the fingers, you understand. Okay, so you have 6, that is your la, your 1. So now your 1, your little finger will be playing the 1. So 6 1, and now your 3rd finger will be playing the 3. You understand. Okay, so 6 1 3 la, do, mi. You see I have my 6 here, la, do, mi. Now my first finger is playing the la, because here you need a finger to press on that note, so you have to use your first finger to play that note. La, do, mi, mi, do, la, You understand. Okay, so now to your 7 7 2 4. My first finger is playing the 7, 4th finger 2, my 2nd finger is playing the 4. Okay, that is ti, re, fa, fa, re, ti. 7 2 4 4. You understand. Okay, and now to your 1 1 3 5 5 3 1. Do, mi, so mi, do. You understand. Okay, so practice these 3 progression. You understand. Okay, and as you're practicing it, try to memorize the finger on every note. Okay, because once you play a 6 here and you have memorized that fingers on that note, when you come to a 6 here you can do the same thing without even looking at the fret. You understand. Memorize the intervals using the fingers. Da, 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 da. Then you have your 3 here. Da, 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 da. Memorize each fingers on the note, you understand. Okay, so now let's move to the next 3 progression. That is 7 1 2. Okay, so 7 7 2 4 1 3 5. Then now to the new progression, that is your 2, that is 2 4 6 2 4 6. You understand. Okay, 7 1 4. Then 2 4 6. Now if you see the 2 4 6, it is just like you are playing your 6 1 3. I mean the finger placement, you understand. 6 1 3. You understand. Okay, so if I'm playing my 6 6 1 3, you see, first finger, 4th finger, 3rd finger, then I'm playing the 2 progression, the Triad 2, that is first finger, 4th finger. You understand. Okay, so once you memorize that Triad on that 6, you can do the same first finger placement on that your 2 to help you understand your fret very well. You understand. So da 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 da. The same finger placement. You understand? Okay, so now let's move to the next 3 progression. That is 1 2 3. You understand? Okay, 1 2 3. So you have do mi so, that is 1 3 5, and the second one, that is 2 4 6. Then now to the new progression, that is your 3. So the finger placement on the 3 is the same as the 6 and the 2. 3 5 7, 3 5 7, your 6, your 2, your 3. You see? You understand? So if anywhere on the fretboard you are playing a 3 and you are grooving on that 3, you can just remember that your 6 finger placement and your 2 are the same with a 3. So let's say I'm playing my 3. You understand? Or 2, your 6. You understand? Okay, so this is what you need to memorize. Okay, this helped a lot to master the fretboard very well. Okay, so now let's move to the next progression. That is your from your 1 2 3, we'll be going to your 2 3 4. So your 2 triad, that is re fa la, your 3 triad. Then now to your 4 triad. So your 4 triad finger placement is just the same like your 1 triad. That is your 4 is 1 4 6 1, that is fa la do, and your 1 triad is 1 3 5 do mi so. You see my second finger, third finger, fourth finger. On my 4th triad, second finger, my first finger, and my 4th finger. You see they are the same. You understand? Okay, so when you are playing a song that is 1 4, just use that same fingers you use on your 1 using the triad and do the same on the 4. It's easy. You understand? Okay, so that is 2 3 4. So now we are going to the next progression. 3 4 5. So 3 triad, that is mi so ti. 3 5 7, your 4 4 6 1. Then now to your 5 5 7 2, 5 7 2. So the 5 7 2 finger placements is just the same like the 4 and the 1. My second finger places my 5, that is so. My first finger places the 7, that is T. My fourth finger places the re, that is 2. You understand? Just like the 4 and the 1. So you understand? Okay, let's go to the next progression. That is starting from your 4 5 6, 4 5 6. So you have 4 triad, 5 triad. You see the same finger placement. You understand? Okay, all you just need to know is the root note. Now to your 6, the same 6 we learned here. You understand? So now let's continue on the next progression. So 5 6 7. You understand? 5 6 7. You understand? Okay, then from your 6 you can continue to your 1. So when you are done playing the root note on the 4th string, come to the 3rd string. You have your 2 here, because when you have your 6 here, you have your 2 here. You start from the 2 and make sure it is 3 3 3 progressions. Okay, so you have 2 4 6, 2 4 6, 2 4 6. Then you have your 3 3 5 7, 3 5 7. Then you have your 4 4 6 1, 4 6 1. You understand? Okay, please, when you're on key G and you are playing a progression on 6, you should already know the finger placement on that 6. When you're playing on 3, they are the same, and 2. When you're playing on 1, your 4, your 5. You understand? Okay, so that when you master this very well, when you are playing on even high note and you are playing a praise that is very fast, you understand? Okay, I recommend you master the finger placement on the fretboard very well before you can start creating baseline or using the triad as a groove. Okay, I just needed to show you that you can use triad to also memorize the fretboard. With it, you can also use your finger to help you play the correct notes. Okay, so this is what I have for you. Just practice every 3 progression, starting from 6 7 1, then to the next 3 progression, 7 1 2, to the next 3 progression, 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5 4 5 6 5 6 7 6 7 1. You can continue. Then when you're done, then you come to the 3rd string. You'll be starting from 2 2 3 4. You understand? Then you'll be applying the triad on each progression. Then you'll be moving forward. Okay, so remember to memorize the finger placement, and also on that progression, how are the finger playing the note. You understand? So that you don't feel stressful when playing it on grooves. You understand? Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.